I'm back with another lesson. Today, I'm going to teach you how to tune your guitar if you don't have a tuner. It's a nice day here in North Carolina. So, these days, it's kind of easy. Everybody's got a phone, an app, tuner app, or a Snark tuner, or one of those little sound hole tuners. My guitar's got a built-in tuner. There's all sorts of technology out there that can help you with that. But back in the day, you had to use a tuning fork, and you had to use your ear. I've been playing the fiddle for about a year now, and they're all like, "You just trust your ear." And that takes some time, but anyway, it's really easy if you know this. If you're just kind of by yourself, you can tune the guitar to itself. So if you've got another person, you can tune to them, have them play their A string, you play your A string, you play your D string, D string, G string, whatever. Match it with your ear. Anyway, but sometimes you don't have a person there. So those are our two E strings, right? They're gonna always be, you can hear them in tune together. So this is really simple. You're gonna go to the 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? That's an A note. Now that's an A string underneath it. So you get the same note. So you can make your adjustment if it's off. Like, let me tune it down a little bit. See where it's off? You can tune it up. Now it's in tune. Same thing with the next string. Go up to the 5th fret, to the D note, You get the point, right? Get the idea? Now we're on the D string at the 5th fret, right? And what do we got? Another G note. Guess what? There's a G string underneath it. See a pattern happening here? 5th fret, 5th fret, 5th fret. Alright, now the next string though, on the B string, we're only going to go to the 4th fret. I mean, on the G string. And that's your B note. 4th fret G string is the same as B, which is the next string down. And then you go back to the 5th fret. So a lot of the times you go into the guitar shop, you'll hear people going. Now this guitar's been inside a cool house in a case for about a week. I just brought it out here to the sun, so it's going to change a little bit as the wood warms up. It's going to stretch out some. But it's not always going to... I suggest you tune your guitar every time before you play it, especially tune it every 15 or 20 minutes or so during heavy playing. And then a little tip for you live guys out there, please don't tune live so everybody can hear you hitting that G note and listening for those oscillations. Anyway, we'll see you guys next time. That's how you tune your guitar.